you guys? It's your girl Zariha and Danyia, and this time we're gonna be doing a making slime with a poopsie slime surprise.
It is right here,
Yay.
and it already has some slime made in it that we have made, but we don't have any more slimes that we need to make because we ran out.
So let's get started.
Okay. Basically, what I'm about to do.
No, keep it up there.
Basically, what I'm about to do is I'm about to sit this right there and show you all the slimes that we have.
Got with cucumber scent, and then we got this little yellow.
We have
the yellow slime,
and we have this kind of slime.
and then we got the grape slime. Like, it's green, but then it got a little purple.
Yeah, that's the slime that I have in my hand. Right there. I'm about to go get the other.
And this is the stuff. They go to the pieces. And then we had made some more slime. I don't know where it went to. So, hope that y'all comment, subscribe, and like this video.
And give it a big
Give it a big thumbs up.